Can a raft sail against the wind? Yes, with a real tack through the true wind. The helmsman prepares the raft and calls out, "Tacking!" Leeboards down on the leeward side. The raft heads up into the wind. The raft immediately turns more than 90 degrees against the wind. Now, the bow passes through the wind. The sail backs immediately. All leeboards on the bow up, aft ones down. The backed sail turns the raft onto the new heading. The sail is shifting at a 70-degree course. At the same time, all the bow leeboards are being lowered on the new leeward side. The raft gains speed. Trim the raft. Now it's sailing on its new course. This is how Abora tacks, an ancient technique that still works today. Learn more about Abora at nuviso.de/aboratv.